All right, I've been posting some photos rather, of this Honda XR500R that I'm trying to restore a little bit of the plastic on, and I've been doing a lot of it by hand, trying to buff down the oxidation in the plastics. And I decided, why don't I use my 160 gallons of compressed air and do it with a pneumatic for a little bit. So here's the result. This is just a couple of minutes right here versus what this looks like, and I'll show you just how it changes. Now this is about, well, it's a 35-year-old bike, so 35 years of oxidation on these plastics, and I doubt there's been much in the way of plastic repair or restoration until now. So this is what I'm trying to erase. 35 years. And I'm trying to not let this get too warm. I had it in the back of my truck, so it was really cold. And it seems to be doing well. So that was just a couple of minutes with little effort on my part, thanks to the help of this Mirka 3x4 vibrating sander, pneumatic sander. It's time to switch out to a new pad as well. This one's getting a little dull. We'll just swap out for the other. That's, man, that's cutting down my labor time on this by a lot. Hours, probably. I've got some water here I want to put on this to try to do some wet sanding, because this is starting to warm up on me a little bit. I don't want to create any extra bubbles and make things a little harder for myself. I'm going to cool this down just a little bit and then keep going. That is looking fantastic. So there you have it. I'm going to keep working on that now and show you the result when I'm done, when I start polishing.